Welcome to Powerops Desktop. Ever reviewed a Power BI report and wondered if key measures are applied correctly across all visuals, or worried that some fields might be missing from critical reports? With Powerops Find Usage feature, you can audit reports like a pro in just a few seconds. Let's say we are auditing a report to check how the new hires measure is applied. We open Find Usage and select New hires. Instantly we see where it's used across visuals, slicers, and filters. Now we can verify whether it's being used correctly and make quick fixes if needed. Notice something missing? We want the date field as a slicer on all our pages, but it's missing. We only see it being used to create a relationship and in a few measures. With Find Usage, we can quickly identify and fix this oversight before it impacts report usability. While auditing, we can also declutter by removing unused fields. See these red icons? They mark columns that aren't used anywhere, so we can clean up and improve report performance. With Powerops Find Usage, auditing Power BI reports is faster and more efficient. No more manual checks and just instant visibility into where your data is being used. Don't waste time manually tracking where your fields and measures are being used. Let Powerops Find Usage feature do that work for you. Download Powerops Desktop now and try it yourself.